Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another collab. This one is going to be with Anya, also known as Peak Sweets, from Anya Stamper. We have Bree from PurplePinkRed and Candace from Candace Hampton. And today we are doing a fairy dust look. So clearly it's going to be kind of like fairy themed, but we're going to go for it. As usual, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm going to go for it. So I'm going to start off with some pinks. I'm going to use this palette from Ruby May, and I am going to go in with Brains and Pop. So now I am going to go in with this bougie color from the Take Me to Paris Mauve palette. Okay, so now we're going to go into my Crescent Moon palette, and we are going to use Zenith right here. Okay, so now we are going to deepen it up. We're going to use this So Susan palette. This is the Rose Gold palette. We are going to go in with Grandiose right here. Okay, so now we're going to make it even darker. We're going to go in with this Quasar color right here. Okay, we're going to make it a little bit more fun. We're going to go into this Anastasia palette here, and we are going to use this Mandela color right here. Okay, so I have these concrete mineral shades here, and I'm going to start off using this one called Chroma. This is kind of a white one with purplish undertones. I'm going to just put that all over my face. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with another concrete mineral. This one is Angel Dust. This is a pink color. Alright, so now I need glitter because fairy dust, right? So I think I'm going to get into this one right here. This is just cosmetic glitter that I have because I make soaps, but it's super sparkly. So I'm going to put that all over my face. Okay, that is done. Okay, so I'm going to go back into my Crescent Moon palette because it has this gorgeous glitter here, and I'm going to put that on my eyes. Okay, so I think what I'm going to go in with now is this wine eyeliner from Marc Jacobs on my eyes. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Got some eyeliner on, and now we are going to do mascara. I am going to use this one right here. This is the Punk Volumizer Mascara. Okay, so I'm going to put some lashes on, but these aren't going to be super dramatic because that's, I mean, fairy dust, right? So these ones are Bombshell Eyelash Drag Queen. That's what I'm using. Okay. And the lashes are on. Now I'm going to put some lip color on. And I'm going to use this cream bar from Trifle Cosmetics. And then I'm going to go over it with some gloss. But let's put this on first. There's that. Now I'm going to put a little glitter gloss on. This is a Ruby May Los Angeles. Alright, this is my finished fairy dust look. I don't know, what do you think? Do you think I succeeded on this look or not? Anyways, don't forget to check out the other ladies' videos. They are super wonderful people, love them to death, so please support them as well. And if you like this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.